Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. What is today? Today's Sunday, October 6th. My birthday is in 7 days, so you know what that means. It's birthday prep time. Although we're literally in the middle of Hurricane Milton. It's gonna be raining, storming really bad this entire week. But I looked on the forecast and on my birthday it's gonna be sunshine, and sunshine. I really just wanna go get my hair today so that we're stuck in a storm. I can still do my hair. Y'all, I wanted to be cute and have a stylist do my hair and, you know, do the whole nines. $400. Baby, my car payment? You want me to make my car payment on my hair? $400 is crazy. Crazy work. Shout out to y'all though. They don't have the color that I want. And we just went through all this to get to this beauty supply store, so we're gonna have to get something from here. We're out of the beauty supply store now. $40-some later. Rather 45 than 350 or 400. Anyways, this is the hair I got. First of all, the color's looking really deceiving because it looks like too much going on. So the colors are 4, 27, and 30, which is really what I want. It's gonna be like a light brown. I got 4 packs of that, and then I got some Shine and Jam, and then some mousse for when I finish off my braids. 4 packs of braiding hair, some Shine and Jam, and some mousse. And I'm doing knotless, so it's about to be like a couple day things. Hello. It's the next day and I'm gonna wash my hair and we're gonna prep my hair for these braids, okay? I have a braiding rack. I'm just really not excited for this. Right now it's dark outside. Hurricane Milton is really on his way, like he's really coming. So yeah, we're gonna wash my hair, blow dry it, and get it prepped to do these braids. It's probably gonna take me 2 days. So basically I was doing a countdown. So my birthday's in 6 days. Right? Obviously on my birthday, I can't do nothing. So I have 5 days to do my hair, my eyebrows, my nails, and my toes. 2 of those days is gonna consist of my hair. So I have 3 days to get everything done and situated. So, and I have to also do my daughter's hair, so. Hair is all washed, and you know what's crazy? Every single time you're about to do braids or like you're about to straighten your hair, you're about to blow it out, like your hair just starts to look cute. When you're a mother, you're never truly alone. Right, like hello, but no. You're so adorable. If I'm whispering, it's because my daughter's taking a nap. And baby, I'm not trying to awaken the Kraken. It's currently 4:53. Why would I start braids at this time? Absolutely no clue. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm not. If the world was dead, would you cry? Try to get me. Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Get me. Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand. I'm literally sweating so bad. It's really foggy in here. Before I start splitting, situating, I'm about to go outside. Cool down. I have a sweat stash. I don't know if y'all can tell. I literally have a sweat stash. I don't know if you can tell. I just wiped it off, but I'm about to go outside, cool off, and then we're gonna come back, split the hair, get the hair situated, because y'all remember I told you I have to blend the hair. It's not really blended, so I'm gonna have to blend it. Then we're gonna organize it. Why not organize it? Remember I was saying it's not blended all the way. I'm actually really nervous. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning, running away to the light. I have no clue what I'm doing, just so y'all know. No clue what I'm doing, so yeah, you're just coming along with me as I try to figure it out. I had done all the limits. That took me so much longer than I wanted it to take. Look how much hair. Baby, that's like 10 braids. That's like half my head. I'm gonna start the parting process for the front and the back.
So I told when it's just me, you're alone, you're lonely, you're alone, then slowly, you know me, yeah. What it take, you can take me to a place where you can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me, yeah.
I look like a child, but I parted the front half. Okay. I know that was short-lived. I got the front of my hair pre-parted, which is why I have twists. So there's 7 on this side, 7 on that side, so 14. And now that the front is pre-parted, I'm gonna just go ahead and start on the back. The parts are pretty small. Hopefully it comes out as I want it to come out. Good morning slash, it's really not morning, it's 11:10. This is how far I got done in my hair. I did 2 rows in the back and I did 4 rows in the front on each side. I just wanted to pop in and check in. It's 11:10 now.
Wanna go deep, intimate, but you really inside. You deserve it, in the line.
Truthfully, what I think I'm gonna do, I think this could probably cover the rest of this row, obviously, and this top half of my head. I think I'm gonna finish the top half of my head just in case it gets too late or it gets to the point where I don't wanna do it anymore, so I can just put it in a ponytail. This is taking 5 ever. It's 1:37 right now. My section already, and I'm just gonna take some shine and gel and apply that on my fingers and just apply that to the part. Mind you, like I said, let me reiterate, I'm not no Atlanta braider, I'm not no Miami braider, I'm not none of that braiders, okay? I am just a girl who wasn't looking to spend $400 on her braids and just so happens to know how to do things when she puts her mind to it, okay? So we have our hair over here. I'm gonna take 1 strand and I like to just hold it in my mouth.
I'm trying to figure out the best way to explain this to you guys. So basically, you're just gonna braid down your natural hair a couple times, like 2 to 3 times. And then after you braid it down, you're gonna add in your other hair piece. And I usually like to add it when I'm at this position right here so that I can just pinch it between my fingers and then just braid down regularly. I hope that makes the most sense. I literally don't know how to explain it to you. All I know is how to show it and how to do it. So hopefully you can kind of see.
Like I said, I'm not a professional braider. I have been braiding my hair for 10 years, but that doesn't make me a professional. That just means I've been saving my money for 10 years. That's all it means. Hello. 3 days later, a hurricane, 8 tornadoes, 9 tornadoes. Y'all, like I was really doing my hair during the midst of the end of the world. Like I really was. But anyways, we're safe. We're good. Everything's good. It was just bad natural disasters. But anyways, this is the hair. You know. Today is October 11th. That means my birthday is in 2 days. That means we have 1 day to get our eyebrows done, wax the pits. First of all, that's what we're doing today. We're waxing the pits because baby, what is going on over here? Like what is actually going on? Do my nails and do my toes. I really wanted to get this video out on my birthday, but I don't think that's gonna happen because I still don't have Wi-Fi at home. I did not lose power. Thank God we didn't lose power. Our power did flicker on and off. Count your days, Xfinity, because we didn't even get hit by the hurricane crazy, but the tornado caused our Wi-Fi to act insane. So we have no Wi-Fi. So sad that it's not gonna be able to come out on my birthday, but it's okay. Like everything happens for a reason. So we're just, like I said, we're just waiting for
my wax to heat up the wax. Hopefully my brow lady is open either today or tomorrow, because I can get my eyebrows done tomorrow if anything. So my light died, so just disregard the lighting. Anyways, armpits are finished. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are, be sure to comment this emoji down below. Happy Saturday, or lack thereof. I would be lying to you if I said it was a happy go lucky day. This lighting looks so horrid, but it makes it look like it's winter outside, especially with this jacket on. Y'all, it is 91 degrees. It's hot, but I heard we're supposed to be having like a cold front in Florida. Cold front is like low 70s, really high 60s. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's currently 5 o'clock. It's like 2 minutes till 5, and I've been rotting in bed all day. I've been annoyed at the world. My birthday's tomorrow. I didn't do my nails. That's what I was gonna say. I didn't do my nail yesterday. I plan on doing them today. Y'all, I don't know what this aggravating, like, I'm just aggravated for no reason. Like, I couldn't tell you the reason why I'm aggravated. I'm just really aggravated. So I think I need to move out of Florida. Like, I thought Florida was my home. When I lived in Georgia, I was homesick and I really wanted to be closer to my family. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not one of those people that need to be around family. Like, I'm good. And I learned that. And I learned it the hard way. I can be away and far. I think that's what works best. I just needed to get outside. I feel a little better now that I'm outside. But y'all, I'm not lying to you. It was just not my day. I'm on my way now to go get my eyebrows done. And honestly, there's not really much to do in my town since it got wrecked by the freaking tornadoes. I feel horrible for trying to celebrate my birthday. Like, what do you mean happy birthday? Like, what do you mean happy birthday? People just lost their lives 3 miles away from you. Like, what do you mean happy birthday? I can't lie to you, I've been crying since last night. I did my toes last night though. I did do my toes last night. I just had a good cry. Anyways, let me give you guys a before of my brows. Like, they look horrid. Truly horrid. We're back in the car now. Y'all, I looked at the footage that I got on my phone. Please, what did I think I was doing? Girl, it got nothing. Nathan. You know, when you're getting your eyebrows done and you're like, I feel like she's messing up. I feel like she's messing up. But she actually didn't do that bad.
Ultimatum. If you wanna come stay up, if you wanna come pay. Work in the morning, finna wake up yawning, tryna keep up with a real one, don't got no obligations. At least for today, at least you can stay for as long as you can, babe. As long as you wanna, everything's in the air. Things in the air. Why you keep being? I don't wanna be no more, cause I feel like I'm wasting time being too emotional. I'm not your option, I'm not your baby. Hear what I'm driving, it's driving you crazy. We ain't working towards nothing. You swear that we something. Everything's body nothing. Everything's in the air. Everything's in the air.
right, y'all, the nails are done. I'm not too entirely sure how I feel about it. It's like, it's definitely giving frontal lobe developed for sure skis. I have about 3.5 hours until my birthday. I was gonna do a whole pedicure situation job, but I ain't doing it. I'm not even allowed to. I'm not doing it. I really want to get to editing this video. Actually, y'all, she really did an amazing job on my eyebrows. Not me trying to close out the video and I didn't even do my lashes. What's actually wrong with me? Not only that, why y'all ain't tell me I had spaghetti on my chin? So embarrassing, so embarrassing. Anyways, oh my god, how did I forget? We might use these. I think I got these off of Shein, actually. I should have got more. It's literally like just my regular lashes. I'm gonna do it because I kind of like that. It's like the same length as my like regular lashes, just more full. So I think we're gonna do that because why not?
I'ma tell you this one time, where I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine?
I mean, she's cute. Adding the 14 on the end was a really good idea. 8, 10, 12, 12, 12, and I did 14.
You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground.
So now we're just gonna go ahead and seal them on.
But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about.
Hopefully God doesn't tell the pastor all my business so that I can keep these I can keep these on. All right, y'all, so that about wraps it up for today's video. Now we're finally done with today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video on my birthday prep, just prepping for my birthday. You know, nothing major, just a little 25, just a frontal lobe development, just part of my brain fully functioning in about 3 hours, just nothing crazy. If you enjoyed today's video and you love me and you love my vibe, I would love for you to be a part of my family. So go ahead and binge me, or if you like videos like this, go ahead and watch some of my routine videos. I have a bunch on my channel, hoping to put out some more in the future, but I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.